Welcome to MarineLearn, practical knowledge and training for maritime professionals. Hit the bell button, subscribe, and like the video so we keep bringing valuable content to you.
Sometimes life changes without warning. One day you are planning your future, and the next day you are rebuilding your life far from home. Many maritime families have faced painful uncertainty, leaving behind homes, routines, memories, and the life they once knew. Even strong professionals feel fear, stress, loneliness, and emotional exhaustion during major life changes. Survival also requires emotional strength. Starting again in a new country is not weakness. Adapting, surviving, and rebuilding life requires enormous courage. Even during uncertainty, seafarers continue moving forward quietly, carrying responsibility for both family and future. No one rebuilds life completely alone. Human kindness, friendship, and emotional support matter deeply during difficult transitions. Strong people also need support. Children do not always remember the fear. They remember the love, stability, and strength shown by the people protecting them. Progress may feel slow. Some days may feel lonely, but little by little, life begins moving forward again. The maritime world is built by people from different countries and histories, but dignity, resilience, and hope belong to all seafarers. To every seafarer rebuilding life far from home, MarineLearn respects your strength.